Hey everyone! Mother's Day is sneaking up, and if you're on the hunt for ways to make the moms in your life feel extra special or treat yourself, these 10 Amazon finds are absolute gold. They're all about cutting the chaos, boosting comfort, and adding a little luxury to a mom's day. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or just chilling, these have you covered. Stick with me because by the end, you'll see how these turn a crazy day into a total mom victory. Let's get started. First off, cooking can take over a mom's whole schedule, but the COSORI 12-in-1 Air Fryer 5.8 quart flips that script. It's got 12 settings, fries, chicken, veggies, you name it, done fast with zero hassle. The basket pops off and goes right in the dishwasher, so cleanup's not even a thing. Imagine a Mother's Day dinner ready in half the time, leaving more space for relaxing. It's a kitchen hero. Links below. Next, every mom deserves a little pampering, and the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask is perfect for that. This stuff's a game changer. Hydrates lips overnight so they're soft and smooth by morning. It's got a nice, subtle scent and comes in a cute pot that's easy to stash anywhere. A small touch that feels like a big deal. Great for gifting or keeping close. Check it out on Amazon. Cleaning's one of those endless tasks, but the Dyson V8 Absolute Cordless Vacuum makes it way less painful. It's light, cord-free, and sucks up dust, crumbs, or pet hair like nothing. Comes with attachments for furniture or corners. Super versatile. Picture a spotless house without dragging out a heavy vacuum. That's the kind of break moms need. Links in the description. Sleep's a big deal, and the Beckham Hotel Collection bed pillows bring that plush hotel feel right home. They're soft, but hold their shape. Perfect for a solid night's rest. Washable too, so they stay fresh no matter what. It's like giving a mom the gift of waking up refreshed, simple, but so worth it. Amazon's got them. Take a peek. Skincare shouldn't be complicated, and the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream keeps it easy. It's gentle, hydrates all day, and works for face, hands, wherever. No greasy feel, just smooth, happy skin. For moms who don't have time for a 10-step routine, this is a quiet little luxury that fits right in. Link below, super practical. Mornings can be a scramble, but the Keurig K Elite coffee maker turns that around. Brews a cup in under a minute, hot, iced, whatever's calling. It's programmable, so it's ready when the day kicks off, and the controls are dead simple. A coffee boost without the wait. Every mom could use that kind of start. Check it on Amazon. Spills are a fact of life with kids or pets around, and the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a lifesaver. It's compact but powerful, zaps stains from couches, carpets, even car seats. Easy to store, easy to use, keeps the house calm when chaos strikes, perfect for a stress-free Mother's Day. Links below. Food prep or leftovers can pile up fast, but the Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers keep it all in check. They're leak-proof, stack neatly, and let you see what's inside. No guessing games. Great for stashing snacks or a special Mother's Day dessert. Organization that actually works. Amazon's got the set. Hands-free help is a mom's best friend, and the Amazon Echo 4th Gen nails it. Play a playlist, set a timer, or ask for the weather. Just talk to it. It's like having an extra set of hands when everything's happening at once. A gift that keeps the day flowing smooth. Links in the description. Last, for moms with little ones, the Huggies Natural Care Sensitive Baby Wipes are a must-have. Unscented, gentle, and tough enough for messy hands or diaper duty. Keeps things under control without any fuss. Exactly what's needed when the day gets wild. Stocking up is a no-brainer. Link below. Alright, imagine Mother's Day hitting hard. Endless to-dos, no downtime. These 10 flip that on its head. Cooking's a breeze, cleaning's quick, and there's actual time to kick back with coffee or a cozy pillow. It's less chaos, more wow, this feels good. Links are below. Tell me which one you'd grab for Mother's Day. Catch you next time.